Hello all, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Android Studio on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Android Studio, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and in that this word just simply search with Android Studio download and you will get this download Android Studio as your first search result. Just simply click on that and it will going to redirect to the official site of Android Studio. Here click on download Android Studio and here you can just simply scroll down and check this license agreement and click on download and it will going to start downloading our Android Studio. I have already downloaded it. I'll just cancel it, minimize my browser, go to my download directory and here is our Android Studio installer. So just simply double click on the installer and it will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes and welcome to Android Studio setup. So let's minimize our download directory and here just simply click on next, and here I'll be recommending you to uncheck this Android virtual device because on our Android phone only we are going to build and run our projects, so no need to use any virtual device. Okay, so just simply uncheck that and click on next, and this is where our Android Studio is going to be installed, so keep this default and click on next. Android Studio is totally fine. Just simply click on install and you can see our installation has rightly begun. So to install this Android Studio, it will take some 3 to 4 minutes. So after it get finished, I'll be again coming back. So welcome back, and as you can see our Android Studio setup is completed. So you can just simply click on next and it has also checked start Android Studio. So let's launch our Android Studio. So for that just simply click on finish and it will going to start our Android Studio. So you can see that our Android Studio 2021.3.1 is rightly launched, and it is asking that whether you'd like to use the previous version or you like to simply do not import settings. So I'm going to simply click on do not import setting because I don't want to use the previous settings. I'll be also recommending you to do this only because you all might be installing it for the first time. So just simply click on OK and there you go, it has rightly started launching. So welcome to Android Studio. So just click on next, and here I'll be recommending you to install this custom installation and click on next. So this is where our Java GRE is going to be installed. So totally fine, click on next, and it is asking like which theme you'd like to use. For light you need to click on this, or for dark theme you need to click on this Dracula. I'm going to choose Dracula and click on next, and this is where I'll be recommending you to uncheck this Android virtual device because as I have told you at the beginning of the video that we are going to run our Android app on our Android phone. I'm going to show you that. Okay, so just simply uncheck that and keep all other things default and then just simply click on next, and here it is telling under emulator settings that how much space you would like to give. So you can keep this recommend. Okay, so no need to do anything, just simply click on next. Anyway we are not installing Android emulator. So here you can see that these are all files that they're going to install. Okay, so just simply click on next and accept this license agreement, and then click on this Intel Android extra license and also accept this license agreement, and you can just simply click on finish, and what it will do is it will going to start downloading and installing all those things. So for that you need to have an active internet connection. So let's wait for some time to download and install all those things. So I'll be again coming back after all these get finished. Yeah, so welcome back, and as you can see that all the things are rightly installed. So you can just simply click on finish, and you can see welcome to Android Studio. So our Android Studio is rightly launched. Let's maximize it, and here if we just simply click on new project, so it will going to open this new project window, and here from here you can choose basic activity like what you actually want. So if you want to make a navigation type of Android application, then you need to choose this, or you can choose any other application like Google Map activity or similar type of thing like payment gateway. All these things if you want you can choose all that, like game activity also you can choose. I'm going to choose the basic activity and click on next, and here let's give your application name as a hello world, and language I'm going to choose Java. Okay, so it's going to use our minimum API 21, that is on from Android 5 onwards it's going to support. So keep all other things default and click on finish, and it's going to download some platform related things. So again give some time, and you can see our Android Studio is rightly launched. So you can maximize it, and it will take some time to index our JDK Android Studio. So again you need to wait for some time. So you can see that our project is lightly launched, and you can minimize this, and it is currently building our Gradle. So give some time to build our Gradle. So as you can see now, all processes are rightly finished. So our project, this main activity.java file is rightly opened, and we have all files and folders rightly shown in our left side. So we have our main activity, then first fragment and second fragment. So all these files are rightly there. All you need to do is just switch to your Android phone and scroll down to bottom. You'll see about phone. So just simply click on that and click on software information. This is Samsung phone is what I am using. So here you will see the build number. So just keep on clicking the build number, and after giving the your security password, it will going to show you that developer mode has been turned on. So now you can go back, and if you scroll down again, you can see this developer option is rightly there. So just simply go inside that, and here you need to scroll down and you need to enable this USB debugging. So just simply enable that, and after that just simply connect your phone with a USB with your laptop. So I'm currently doing that, and it has rightly connected. So on your phone you need to check this allow computer. So just simply give allow, and after that, and you can see that our phone is rightly recognized over here. So here you need to just simply click on this run button, and it will going to build our Gradle and everything, and it's going to install this app on our phone. So again you need to give some time. So once our build get completed, it's going to install on our phone, and you can see it has rightly opened. So this is our first fragment. So you can just simply click on next, and you can see the second fragment. So you can again go back to the previous one. So this is first fragment, and you can subsequently design your application. So in this way you can easily install the latest version of Android Studio on a Windows operating system. If you face any difficulty in middle, please do comment in our comment sections. I am always there to help you.